Hakabay day bakaching yap kin reward kinongti doyong hapo kakram doyong kabadan Harimbai East Janja Hills District uba kerman chalau badai kami yakatna disaster management ulong ba om patla banrai halor kajingsiu shakilong yeng jogini hin reward namar kidang abi ki kai phot na ki khle sencha district bantip shai bha kabakumno kajingman saw kabalaja hakate kapor.
As of now, we didn't declare anything when it comes to compensation because we have to learn what is exactly what is happening there. So until unless we have any reports from the district head, so we cannot declare anything. What kind of accident is it? Because for compensation, it should be norms to follow. In that particular mine, let's consider it a mine or a hole. I don't know what to say. So in that particular, there's no coal.
Okay.
It's still, nothing. It's just earth cutting. So whether the purpose is for taking out coal or purpose is for something else, we don't know exactly. So that's why I cannot say what is the purpose of that mine. So maybe it's for coal, limestone, for any purpose. So I want to hear it from the district head. So let them say, give the correct report when it comes to that.